What happens if you push it off a table? Or maybe roll it down a hill? Now, I'm sure, unless you're living under a rock, that you have heard of WattCycle. There's a ton of guys that have shown capacity tests on these. It does have cold temperature cutoffs down below zero. It will shut itself off so that it doesn't hurt the lithium cells inside. The reason that I have this battery is when I talked to WattCycle, they said that they tested this battery for shock. What happens if you push it off a table? Or maybe roll it down a hill? Yes, you did just see me throw a 200 amp hour battery down a hill. And yes, it still works. Before any of you ask if it does or doesn't. See? All right. So far, this and all of this have been working amazing. You saw it fly down a hill. You saw it fall off a table. This thing's been kicked around, beat around. This is, you get the point. No matter what you want to do, consider how strong, how durable is always going to be a consideration, because usually when something bad happens beforehand to make the whole situation worse.